Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Inku crate unboxing video for you. And I'm not quite sure what the theme is. They don't seem to have like a clear theme, unlike the Zenpop box, which I kind of miss, but it looks like it's like this sort of pastel stationery vibe, so let's just get on with it. I'm gonna just leave this here so I can walk through all the items. The first one are the sticker flakes. Milk pack. Oh, okay. Here's a better look at all the different flakes. 10 different designs. And I'm gonna see what material. It looks like they're plastic. They kind of look plastic. I'm a big fan when they're like washi material. I love using that. No, this is definitely like sort of a vinyl plastic. Really cute, but yeah, would have preferred they were washi. Okay, and then the next one, oh my god, this is so cute. It's like a piece of toast. It's literally just a piece of toast, but like a post-it note. Let's open it up. Sticky note. The first layer is really like shiny. It's kind of like the cover, but after that you get the rest of them are matte, which is probably better because you can, it's easier to write on it. You can write pencil on it very clearly. Okay, so this I've not heard of before. Apparently this is a wall pouch. I didn't even know wall pouches existed. Because on the outlook it looks just like a pencil case, but oh, okay, so it's like a wooden bar here, and I guess you just hang it from the wall here. Oh, alright. Wall pouch. Okay. I see what you mean. There's like pouches on just one side. Okay, that's interesting. I don't think I've seen these before. So apparently this character is a Sanrio character. Yeah, Sanrio. It's a new character. Exclusive to Inku. I mean, not the character, I just assumed this particular item. Agretsuko? I have never heard of this character before, but given that this year says like 2023, I reckon it's pretty new. But that's a cool concept. I can see this being a really cool decorative piece for sure. Okay, wall pouch. Well, there you go. We learn something new every day. Oh, this is cool. Pokemon paper, like origami paper or design paper. I think it's just the same design, just this one here. But that is so cool. I can't wait to use this. 16 sheets. And we've got some pens. Got this little paw pen, just like a novelty pen. And then this is like a cooler Sanrio pen. I'll try these out at the end of the video. Oh, we got some washi tape. I don't know if this is a particular character. It's not a lot, as you can see. You don't get a ton of washi tape, but it is a very cool design, very unique. And then the last item is a really beautiful, I think, gridded notebook. This is perfect for practicing Japanese, and I love using it because it sort of forces you to keep to the right shape and size. All right, let's go test out those pens. Okay, so the first one is this paw ballpoint pen. I'm just gonna take the cover off. That's cute. I'm not quite sure why this spins, but can you hear it like buzzing? That's so interesting. Anyways, it's kind of a novelty pen, but we'll give it a shot. No, it's not a ballpoint pen. It's a gel pen. The little instruction manual says it's ballpoint, but it looks gel to me. And it's kind of nice. I'm not a big fan of this thing. It's quite heavy, so it feels like it's weighted backwards. You guys know I much prefer lighter pens, but it's cute. And then this next one is a Sanrio gel pen. We'll find out. No, it's a gel pen, and it's in blue. Oh, oops, can't spell. This is such a nice color. Apparently this is 6 different designs you can get, and now I'm like, oh man, I kind of want them all. Can't see the actual pen brand, so this is blue. I'm sure the others are different colors as well. Made in Korea. I don't know, maybe it's an actual Sanrio branded pen, but yeah, that is everything in this month's Inku crate unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.